Welcome back to Deep Dive Survivor, everyone. It's a beautiful Saturday afternoon here, 13 degrees Celsius. It's June 6th, I believe, and I'm down on the farm and I forgot the most important part: fly dope, or at least a fly hat. And I'm getting absolutely chewed up and swarmed as soon as I got here. It's a little bit out of control here today. So I scrapped the plan to haul the logs down for today, and we're going to work on getting rid of this brush with the wood chipper. And so I just got her fired up with some fresh Supreme gas, and we're going to do a time lapse now of me doing high-speed brush clearing with our POWERFIST wood chipper from Princess Auto. There she is there in all her glory, and it's pretty loud, so I'm going to run down and grab my hearing protection and my chainsaw. There's a couple here, a couple trees hidden amongst those brush piles that kind of got covered up. So we're going to harvest those and get as much of this land fully cleared as we can here today. And when the wood chipper's going, it's creating dust and fumes and stuff like that. It's keeping the flies away from me. It's not too bad, so I should be able to stay and punch in a day's work with the wood chipper going. Also, lots of ants here. A couple just got sealed into my GoPro kit. All right, GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording. Now we're gonna get some footage, real time, with the real sound. beautiful day here. Wood chipper's running perfect. We got the Supreme fuel in there today, and the pile is getting bigger fairly quickly. As you can see, the flies are insane here today, and they're attracted to black. So right now I got the GoPro out in the shade, and that seems where the flies like to be. So we're gonna move it out into the sun, so you guys can see me instead of all the swarm of flies here. Oh man. I knew I was gonna forget something. Alright, we're gonna work on this pile here, and then once we get as many branches as we can out of the way, then I'll fire up the chainsaw and limb up the couple trees that were hidden under the piles. Well folks, I just stopped for a lunch break and the flies got me absolutely drove, and I got about 1 million fly bites while I was eating my sub. And just look at my arms. I don't know if that's a splinter or a tick right there, but I am tore up big time here. They're getting me everywhere, guys. Oh man. Well, we got a bit done here today. This pile here was about 5 times the size of that. And it's a spruce. It's about a dump truck load of branches there from a spruce tree. So here's our pile of wood chips. Wood chipper is going great. It's just flies got me absolutely drove. So I'm gonna shut her down for today. I didn't bring any fly dope. I need like a very light long sleeve shirt to protect my arms, and some fly dope and a fly hat. All right, until next time, folks. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Deep Dive Survivor.